Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Most of the students will face a lot of problem while adding or subtracting the integers. Today I will explain you very shortcut method. By that you can solve addition, subtraction and multiplication of integers very easily. Here I will explain you three methods. With the three methods you can do each and every problem of addition, subtraction and multiplication of integers. First of all, let us go for method 1. Method 1. Here method 1 will have two positive integers. How to add the two positive integers will comes under method 1. If you are having a number like this, plus 2 plus 3, whenever you are having both positive signs, we should add both the numbers. And whenever we are having both plus, we should keep the sign of plus. If you are not having the sign here, also we should consider it as plus. If you are having any integer like this 5 is nothing but plus 5 only. If you are having especially here minus 5, at that situation if you are having minus, then only we will consider the sign of the particular number is minus. If you are not having any sign, we will consider it as positive. If you are having plus sign, also we will consider it as positive. If you are having like this 5 plus 6. What is 5 plus 6 here? 5 plus 6 is 11. Here I am not keeping any sign. That means here this 11 is called as plus 11 only. Come to method 2. Method 2. Here method 2 will have two negative integers. Method 2 will have two negative integers. If you are having like this minus 3 minus 5, here whenever we are having both minus signs, at that time we should add the numbers. What are the numbers here? 2 plus 5 is how much? 7. Here both numbers you should add and keep the sign of minus. Whenever you are having two negative signs, we should add the numbers and keep the sign of minus. One more example let me give here. If you are having minus 11 minus 6, here we are having both negative numbers. Here minus 11 minus 6 is 11 plus 6. Add the numbers. 11 plus 6 is 17. Here 17, which sign here? Both minus are there, just keep it minus. If you are having like this minus 3 minus 8, here both minus is there, add the numbers. 8 plus 3 is 11 and minus is there, just to keep minus. Whenever you are having both plus signs, we will add the number and keep plus sign. Here whenever we are having both minus signs, we will add the number and we will keep the minus symbol. Let us go for method 3. Method 3. Here method 3 will have both positive and negative signs. Let us go for example here. If you are having minus 3 plus 7. Look at here. Here 3 is having minus sign. 7 is having plus sign. Means the question is having both minus and plus. At this time what we have to do means always subtract the higher number and lower number. What you have to do first? Subtract the higher number and lower number. In this, what is the higher number here? Higher number is 7. Lower number is 3. Subtract the higher number and lower number. 7 minus 3. How much we will get? We will get 4. Answer you write down 4. Subtract the higher number and lower number, and whatever the answer we will get, write down there. And we have to keep the sign of higher number. Here what is the sign of higher number here? Higher number sign is plus, so you can keep here plus. If you are keeping plus 4 or if you are not keeping plus also, we will consider that one as plus 4 only. Let me go for one more example here. If you are having minus 8 plus 3. Here one plus is there, one minus is there. At this situation, what to do? Subtract the higher number and lower number is same. Subtract the higher number is 8, lower number is 3. Subtract higher number and lower number, 8 minus 3 is 5 we will get. And you have to keep the sign of higher number. Remember this one. What is the sign of higher number here? Higher number is 8. Higher number is having minus sign. So just keep minus sign. Here if you are having like this, 8 minus 3 is there. 8 means we can take it as plus 8 only. Here one plus is there, one minus is there. Here one plus and one minus. What to do? Subtract the higher number and lower number. What is the higher number here? 8. 8 minus 3 is how much? 5 we will get. And keep the sign of higher number always. What is the higher number sign here? Plus. So keep the sign of plus. In this way, you can add or subtract the integers very easily. Whenever we are having both plus signs, we should add the numbers and keep the sign of plus. This I told in the method 1. Whenever we are having both minus, what we should do? We should add both the numbers. And keep the sign of minus. I told in the second method. Come to the third method, we'll have plus and minus or plus. If you are having, what to do? Subtract higher number and lower number. Subtract higher number and lower number we should do. And which sign we should keep? Sign should be kept. Sign should keep of higher number. In the third method, I told this one. Here whenever you are having one plus and one minus, subtract the higher number and lower number and keep the sign of higher number always. By these three methods, you can add or subtract any two integers very easily. If you are having more than 3 integers also, you can add it like this. If you are having minus 3, minus 5, plus 6, what we will do? Here these two we should solve it first of all. Both minus. Whenever you are having both minus, what to do? You have to add the numbers and keep the sign of minus. What we will get? Add both the numbers. 5 plus 3 is 8. Both minus is there. Keep the sign of minus. And here plus 6 is there. Write down plus 6. Here is one minus and one plus. This will comes under method 3. What we have to do in the method 3? Subtract the higher number and lower number. 8 minus 6 is 2. And keep the sign of higher number. What is the higher number sign here? Minus. In this way, we can solve 2 or more integers. We can solve it very easily by these 3 methods. Till now, we completed how to add, how to subtract the integers. Now let us go for multiplication of integers. How to do the multiplication means, for that you should know the 4 important formulas that are here. Plus into plus is plus. When plus is multiplied by plus, we will get plus only. When minus is multiplied by minus, we will get plus. When minus is multiplied by plus, we will get minus. When plus is multiplied by minus, we will get minus. By these 4 formulas, we can solve the multiplication of integers. Minus into minus is equal to plus. Plus into plus is equal to plus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. By that 4 formulae, we will solve the multiplication of integers. If you are having a question like this, minus 2 into minus 1. If you are having like this, first of all, what we have to do means we have to multiply the signs. After that, we should go to the number, or after that, we will go to the integer. Here, minus into, bracket is also called as into only. Minus into minus. What is minus into minus? Is plus. You have to write the plus. Minus into minus is plus. What is 2 into 1? 2 into 1 is 2. Answer is plus 2, or you can say it as 2 also. If you are not having any sign, we will consider it as plus only. If you are having like this, minus 3 of, if you are having like this, minus 3. Here, minus 3 is minus 3 only. If you are having bracket, that bracket also we should consider as multiplication. Here, minus, bracket is called into, minus into minus. What is minus into minus? Is plus. Minus into minus is plus we will get, and we will get 3. Now look at here. Minus 3 plus 3. Whenever you are having one minus and one plus, what we will do? We will subtract the higher number and lower number. Here no higher number is there, no lower number is there. So you subtract 3 minus 3. What you will get here? 0. 0 will not have negative value, will not have positive value. Here 0 is unique. 0 is neither negative nor positive. 0 will not have positive sign, will not have negative sign. Now let me go for one more example here. If you are having minus 3 of minus 5. If you are having minus 3 of minus 5. Here if you are having bracket, we should consider it as multiplication. Here minus 3 is there. Take that minus 3 in the same way. Here minus into minus. What is minus into minus? Is plus. Here what you are having here, 5 is there. Write down that 5 as it is. Here one minus is there, one plus is there. At that time what to do? Subtract the higher number and lower number. Higher number is 5, lower number is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. What is the higher number sign here? Higher number sign is plus. And here I am writing as plus 2. If you are not writing this plus also, only if you are writing 2 also, we will consider it as plus only. If you are having like this, minus 5 of plus 5 is there. What we will write here? Here minus 5 we will write like this only, plus into plus. Plus into plus is plus only. If you are having bracket, we will consider it as multiplication. Plus into plus is plus, we will get here 5. Plus 5 minus 5. Same numbers are there. 5 minus 5. How much you will get here? 0. 0 is unique. 0 is neither negative nor positive. So 0 itself is 0 only. If you are having other than 0 here, you can keep the higher number sign. Here 0 is there. 0 will not have positive, will not have negative. Here if you are having like this, plus of plus 3 if you are having, what we will do here? Here 5 we will write, plus into plus is plus we will get, and we will write this 3. What is 5 plus 3? Is 8. 8 means plus 8 only. If you are having like this, minus 2 into minus 5. What we will get here? Minus into minus is plus. 2 5s is 10. If you are having minus 2 into plus 5. What we will get? Minus into plus. Minus into plus is minus. 2 5s are 10. If you are having plus 5 into minus 2. Here plus into minus is minus. 5 into 2 is 10. In this way, you can solve the addition, subtraction and multiplication of integers. Addition and subtraction will have 3 methods. First method will have both positive. At that time, we will add the numbers and keep the sign of plus. Second method will have both negative. Whenever you are having both numbers negative, we will add the numbers and we will keep the sign of minus. In the third method, we will have one positive and one negative. or one negative or one positive. Here at that time we will subtract the higher number and lower number. Whatever the answer we will get, we will write that number and we will keep the sign of higher number. In the multiplication, we will use these 4 formulas to get the sign. Plus into plus is equal to plus, minus into minus is equal to plus, minus into plus is equal to minus, plus into minus is equal to minus. By using these formulas, we will convert the given number into addition and subtraction. Then we will go to addition and subtraction only. If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.